Alright YouTubers, so after loading the app onto Android Studio and all dependencies are installed, the next thing to do is to change the package name. So if you had installed Android Studio at fresh, there is one thing you need to do before you start changing the package name. Now the first thing you need to do before changing the package name is to come to this gear over here and click on it. Now when you click on it, make sure that compact middle packages is unchecked. If it is checked, if there's a mark on it as you are seeing it here, make sure that you uncheck it. If not, you will have challenges renaming your package name. So now after unchecking that, then come to app and then open that, come to Java, then open Java, and then come to com and open com. Now this is the package name. Now how do I know that this is the package name? Now come to grill here, then come to build grill, then double click on it to open, and then you scroll down a little bit, and here we have application ID as this. So that is the same reference you have over here to as well. So we have com, ox, and we have the next ID number. So now this is what we are going to deal with. So we are going to change these things to our own package name. If not, the developer has already got this package name on Play Store. So if you are going to use the same package name, Play Store will tell you that this package name already exists in Play Store and you can't use it, because every Android app must go with a unique application ID, and that is what Play Store uses to identify each application. Just like computers use IP addresses to identify themselves, then Play Store also uses application IDs to also identify itself. And this is the ID for the application, which we call the package name. So if you want to rename the package name, then come to the first option, Ox, right click on it, and then come to refactor, then come to rename. Then we are going to rename the whole package, but not a directory. Remember this. So hit on rename package, and then give your package name. So my package name is going to be learn, and then I want Android Studio to search in all comments and strings to replace wherever there's ox with learn, and also search in text occurrence and also do the same replacement to as well. So I'll click on refactor, and that will carry on with the renaming process. So let's give it some few seconds to go through. So the next thing we need to do is that we click on do refactor. Then we click on rerun search. And we're having a challenge. So we go through the same process again. Then refactor, rename, then rename package. Then we say the package name is going to be learn, search in all occurrence, and then refactor. Alright, so that is the first step. So I can cancel this off now. That is the first step. So we have name the first package. So we move to the second one, right click, and then refactor, rename, then rename package. Then this time we have home, then search, and also search in occurrence, then refactor to as well, then do it. And our package ID has changed. Now you can see it on the build grill to that it has changed to as well. Now right now, if I click on the sync project, I might get an error because the JSON file that contains the package name that comes with this particular app is what was there. so it is not going to sync because the JSON file contains a different details or a different package name from the package name we have changed right now. So if I click on sync, we might have that error. So we are supposed to build our own JSON file to match with the package name we have for the application. So that is the next thing we will be learning how to do that. But let's sync it to see first whether it will sync or not, or it will return errors to us telling us that the package name that we have does not match with the package name on the JSON file that we also have. So we need to create our own JSON file to do that. Okay, so anyway, it has been successfully synced, but that doesn't mean that we have succeeded. But we still need to create a JSON file with our package name. If it happens that you are syncing and you are getting an error complaining about this package name, which is com.learn.home, doesn't match with any of the package name in it, know very well that the next thing you need to do is to create a JSON file. But praise be to God, it's able to sync. But that doesn't mean that the day is saved. The day is not saved yet. We need to create a JSON file, which is our next video coming on your way. So please stay tuned with Learn at Home YouTube channel. Subscribe to their channel and hit the bell for notification. Don't miss videos from them. Stay tuned.